Good morning, 6th class. Let us start lesson number 13, which will give us quite important information regarding the plants. So, lesson number 13, it is related to science and it tells us some important information regarding the plant life. Plants, as we all know, that plants are one of the living organisms and they are the producers as they manufacture food with the help of photosynthesis process, and they give us oxygen gas in this process and help in survival. But plants, they also have feelings. Just like other animals, plants also have feelings. And one of the famous scientists of India, he proved this theory that plants also have feelings. Before that, it was not considered, it was never considered, I can say, that plants can feel or they have emotions. But our famous scientist, Sri Jagdish Chandra Bose, he proved this thing that plants, they have emotions and they also feel like other living organisms. Plants have life and they can respond. It was first shown by Jagdish Chandra Bose in 1901. He proved that plants have a definite life cycle and they can reproduce and they are also aware of the surroundings. Let us know how he did that. Firstly, let us know who he was, what he used to do. Let us know Mr. Jagdish Chandra Bose firstly. He was born in 1858 in Mymensingh, that is now in Bangladesh. The stories of natural world, they had a great interest or impact on the mind of Jagdish Chandra Bose. So the stories of natural world, they sparked interest in him and eventually led to his most famous discovery, that is the plants also feel. This is the main discovery of Mr. Bose. For this discovery, to prove his point, he carried out one famous experiment in the Central Hall of Royal Society of London. On 10th of May 1901, the Central Hall of Royal Society of London, it was jam-packed with famous scientists. So many scientists, they gathered there, they collected there to witness this experiment shown by Mr. Bose, which proved that plants also have feelings. Mr. Bose was set to demonstrate that plants have feelings like other living beings. A plant was dipped up to its stem in a vessel holding bromide solution. It's a poisonous chemical. So he dipped one plant up to stem in this bromide solution. He plugged his instrument, which he gave the name crescograph, with the plant and viewed the lighted spot on a screen showing the movement of the plant. As its pulse beat, the spot began to move, which showed that the reaction is taking place between the plant when it is dipped into the bromide solution, which is a poison. And within minutes, the spot vibrated in a vibrant manner and came to a stop. The event was greeted with much appreciation and the instrument received widespread acclaim. Means Mr. Bose, he got great appreciation by the different scientists all around the world. He got great appreciation for his work in this theory that plants also have feelings and plants also react and plants also die in certain conditions when they do not find favorable conditions and they show their feelings. So he was the first person to discover such a thing and to demonstrate that thing by his experiment. He was a great scientist of India and worldwide people know him as a great scientist. He made India famous by his work. So let us see what type of project is given in this lesson. Hello students, you already know that plants have life. They grow, respond and pollinate for propagation. Let us do an experiment on germination. So dear students, in science also we have performed this experiment, and in GK also you can do completely as per your comfort. The material that we require is 4 to 5 rajma seeds that we eat, then a bowl and cotton. And what is the procedure? The same procedure that we did with gram seeds. Soak the rajma seeds in a bowl with cotton, add a little water to keep the cotton moist, and keep the bowl in sunlight and observe the seeds after 3-4 days. Based on your experiment and observations, draw the germination process. So whatever you will get, conclusion, whatever you will get, whatever you will observe, you will write those conclusion. You will write the process of germination, that what happened to the seeds when you dip the seeds in water for 3 to 4 days. So you can write that experiment, just like in the case of gram seeds, that the experiment we did in science. The rajma seeds will also start growing. They will also start germinating. A white colored part will appear from that, and it will start germinating on its own. So this is the process of germination, and you can draw the diagram also. You just observe. Firstly you will make a simple diagram of rajma seed, how it looks, kidney beans we call it. So you can make a simple diagram of the rajma seeds, and then as it grows daily you can draw the diagram. What changes did you observe in that rajma seed? And finally, after the growth is started, finally after 1 week, what type of plant do you have, how that seed has grown? So you can draw that diagram in your notebook, or you can draw it anywhere in your rough notebook. The main thing is that you should have the knowledge how the seed grows and what type of changes takes place when the seed it changes into a plant. So you should know the process of germination. This is all about this lesson. Let us complete the exercise in next video.